Hi there and welcome to another AVW's item of the day. I have just bought this mid to late 19th century rosewood stool. I think it's really smart and it's particularly nice because it's big enough to sit on, and even better, it's big enough to put things on. For want of a better word, it would make a very good coffee table for books, drinks, ashtrays, all the sorts of things. Sadly, the top has certainly seen better days. I don't feel too guilty about stripping it, which I'm going to do in a minute, because I don't think it's particularly special, albeit perfectly nice. You can see where it's all had lots of early repairs, and it's just completely past. The whole thing would look much better with something modern on it. So, the first thing to do is to gently and carefully take the top off. I've had a quick look at this already and it's not going to be a tricky job. It's been fairly loosely tacked where the trimming's coming round, by tacks about every inch or so, and then it's been very loosely stitched in around the top there and around the corners. So I don't need anything really for a job like this apart from a flathead screwdriver just to ease out some of the tacks when they get a bit sticky, and some very sharp scissors just to undo all this stitching. I've had a go around here, it's coming away really easily. I'm just going to snip the trimming there, gently loosen the tacks as and when. They're not really that many, fortunately. And underneath you can see the calico, and it's just coming away really easily. I wished all upholstery jobs were this simple. And then with, as I said, a sharp pair of scissors, just gently, carefully snip away at the actual stitching, which is just keeping the needlework to the upholstery, as it were. And as you see, I don't want to be too rough, I don't want it ripping away like I've just done it there. So I'm not going to rush it, just take it nice and easy. It's not going to take any time at all. A small Stanley knife would probably be, or craft blade would probably be slightly more efficient, but I don't have those tools to hand at the moment. Snip, 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 and there we have another corner. This will take me about 5 minutes. It can take hours. Right, just a couple more snips. And we're done. Just a quick brush with a stiff brush will remove all that very light, I don't know exactly what it is, that very light wool felt that goes between the calico and the needlework. And there you have it, a really good sized stool. You can sit on, but it's also big enough, easily, to put things on as well. I'm really pleased how that's come out. In fact, I think it looks quite nice just as it is. Please do subscribe if you want to see more of this sort of stuff, and I will put links to where it is on the website and an email address and all that in the description should you be interested in it. and many thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!